Hello and welcome to today's BeeBusinessBee Vlog. Firstly, I better give a shout out to Emma who told me that apparently I hold the camera too close to my face normally, so I'm going to move it away and hopefully today's vlog is going to be a bit better for you. And I thought we'd look at a topic today of a low tax economy. There's lots of talk about it, so I thought let's have a look at what a low tax economy is and potentially what it means. So what I've done here is, using my trusty board again, I've got low tax economy there, so you can see there I've got the low tax economy. And there's a question here that's been asked quite a few times. Does a low tax economy stimulate economic growth? It all comes down to stimulation of economic growth. And there's different sorts of things and theories that go with that. For example, one of the common arguments you'll see is that potentially a low tax economy will mean that the most socially mobile, i.e. the rich people, will stay in your economy and they will pay some form of tax rather than nothing at all. The argument put forward for that is the rich are the most socially mobile, so if you increase tax, they will move. With that, they may take their wealth creation, i.e. the jobs that they create, so everybody else suffers in the economy. So is it better to have, for example, 10% tax off somebody rather than getting a big fat zero if they move overseas? That is something that you can debate all day long, but many governments are thinking about the option of a low tax economy. It's even been suggested in that word Brexit, which we keep hearing lots about, that the UK could become a low tax economy and then start to tempt organisations maybe from Europe to come to us if we lower our corporation tax. But let's have a look at how it might affect a person. So, is it going to be good to have a low tax economy? Well, the argument suggests possibly yes, because you increase the amount of disposable income that somebody has. That's the amount of money they can spend. Because if you've got a low tax economy, that means you're paying less tax, so you've got more money to spend on the things you want to spend it on. And if you're spending more money, that means you're creating investment because businesses will want to grow. For example, imagine shops. The more money you spend, the more likely they are to open a new shop. If they open a new shop, that creates more jobs, which of course, create more jobs there, will create more disposable income, and the cycle will continue. So there is the theory out there that actually a low tax economy is better for everybody. It stimulates economic growth and it helps to grow an economy. Of course, with a low tax economy and low regulations comes many other questions that go alongside that, but I thought let's take the topic today of a low tax economy and see, does it really benefit you? And probably the argument is economically, yes it does. So on that note, I'm going to finish for the weekend now and say have a cracking weekend, and remember, keep buzzing.